Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to resize columns quickly in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to resize columns quickly in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to resize columns quickly in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here's our table. Let's adjust these columns by double click here on the edge of the column, here and here. Okay, there's more fast way. The rows too, you can click here on the edge. Okay, let's just click on here and double click on any edge of the columns like this. It will be all done. Okay, rows the same. Click on the edge, double click, it will be all done. That easy, that quickly. There you go. If you want to know how to resize columns quickly in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.